Morning folks, it's, what is it? It's actually January the 22nd, 2018. Just arrived in the studio, so I've just fired everything up. And then I'm just going to pick up the old Ibanez and give it a bit of a blast for an hour on my continued journey of trying to get to grips with guitar and little fingers and all these bits and bobs as well. Then what I'll probably do is jam it over a little track, possibly G minor, Santana-ish. Maybe we might have a little go at something like that this morning. Probably going to blast it for maybe an hour, and then we'll see what comes out when I've done all my economy picking, little sweep picking exercises, and then I'm going to show you the variation on the finger exercise that I did last week that's going to tighten up all my little finger pinky strength, and it's making a massive impact. As somebody commented on the previous video, they said it looks like you've finally found the keys to the Ferrari. So all I've got to do is get in this Ferrari, hopefully, and have a little blast and see what happens. So just going to get stuck into the guitar practice, and I'll show you what comes up next. So if you remember last week, we had this 1-3-4 exercise. Mega slow. So I blasted that last week. This week I've gone to, I think I'm in the key of G minor, yes I am, and I've gone to fingers 1, 2, 4. It's exactly the same pattern, I've just changed fingers to this. So that's the one that I'm going to focus on this week. Time for a bit of practice. Time for a little jam. I'm trying to get it in there. Complete with mistakes, but you get the idea. Stop music. So that's it, yeah, you know, once you've got your practice going, and that's what I'm trying to do, is just try and tighten everything up a little bit, and that's where I can burst the speed, or try and burst the speed for me. So stick along with the, what is this? It's a vlog. I've got that many things going on in my little tiny mind today. I'm trying to get this in quick for you. Yeah, so this is the second vlog. Stick along with them, and we'll see how this progress goes. And I might try and, if you want, if somebody asks me, I'll try and put a link to the, so you can download the tracks and maybe little tabs of what we've got going on there as well. See you next week with another.